So let's learn how to do that. So it starts off with a 5th string major bar chord. Since our capo's here, I'm going to call this 3. We bar this finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, and the 1st string. These 2 fingers are on the 5th fret, 2nd string, and 3rd string. Okay. Right hand's going to pluck with your middle finger and your thumb. Middle finger on the bottom string, thumb on the 5th string. And the index finger is going to get the 2nd string. So we go 1 and 5, thump with the index finger on 2, then bottom string, thumb, 3rd string with the index finger, and then thump with your middle finger on 2. So again, that's 1 and 5, thump with your index on 2, hit 1 with your middle, 5 with your thumb, 3 with your index, and then thump on 2 with your middle finger. That's the first half of the pattern. The second half of the pattern is going to go like this. 1 and 5, thump with the index on the 2nd string, and then move the 3rd and 4th fingers down a string, play 1 and 5, thump with the index finger on 2. That is how you play it. Just practice that a lot. It takes a lot of practice because it's just like this. It's super hard. Okay, so after that, we go to A minor and we do the same thing. The only difference is instead of moving our fingers down for that last note being different, the way we get that last note to be different is we add our pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So A minor, which is just 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret. We're going to play 1 and 5, thump on 2, 1, 5, 3, thump on 2 with that middle finger again. And then we're going to go 1 and 5, thump on 2, add that pinky on the 3rd fret, 1 and 5, thump on 2. Easy peasy, sort of. And then we go up a string. Now we're going to go finally to an easy chord, E minor. This E minor doesn't do the full pattern, it just does the first half of the pattern. Our right hand is also going to move up from the 1 and 5 to the 2 and 6 with our middle and our thumb. So 2 and 6, index is on 3, 2 and 6, index is on 3 with that thump, then 2, then 6, then 4 with the index, and our middle finger is on the 3 with that thump. So let's try that again. 2 and 6, thump on 3, 2, 6, 4, thump on 3 with that middle finger. And then we go to F, a 6th string major bar chord. So our first finger is on the 1st fret and barring down. So we don't really need the last 2 strings because we're not going to play them. Our ring finger's on the 3rd fret, 5th string. Our pinky is on the 3rd fret, 4th string. Our middle finger is on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. And let's go ahead and try to play the same pattern as the last chord. It's the first half of the pattern. 2 and 6, thump on 3 with the index finger, then play 2, 6, 4, and thump with the middle finger on 3. Now we've got this cramped chord, this C chord here. Play on 2 and 5 with the right hand, middle and thumb. Thump with your index on 3, then middle on 2, thumb on 5, 4, and then thump on 3 with the middle finger. 2 and 5, thump with your index on the 3rd string, then 2, then 5, then index is on 4th string, and middle finger is on the 3rd string with the thump. Okay. For whatever reason, that last thump is usually harder for people because your hand is so like cramped together. And then this last one's a G chord. You don't even need the full chord, you can just get away with the top 2 strings only, and it's going to be 2 and 6, thump with your index finger on 3, then 2, then 6, then 4, and thump with your middle finger on 3. And that is how you play the slightly easier, modified version of this song.